This is the new Bonzer swivel. It has a handle which pivots and swivels so you can manipulate and get around tight spots and corners. It allows you to get it under chairs, around corners much easier, and you can clean right next to the wall without your handle touching the wall. And you can get into those tight spots. It maneuvers much easier for getting into tight situations. Closets. Very maneuverable. And you get back into the corner and again clean right up next to the wall. The pivoting handle makes it very easy to maneuver. Cleans in both directions. And when you're cleaning with the Bonzer, it's symmetrical. Both hands are equally sharing the load, rather than with a wand, you're like, it's bad on your back going like this. It's not equal. This is equal. And you can just walk it up, walk it back. Once you get used to cleaning with the Bonzer, you won't ever want to go back to a regular wand. I can get up here next to this wall. I can get right next to the wall. See how my handle is angled out? The Bonzer with the swivel handle. 5 forward-facing jets, 2 rear-facing jets with Teflon glides. Hold in the front, slotted in the back. Or if you want, you can reverse these and have the slotted in the front and the hold in the back. It holds all the heat under here. If you're using a truck mount, this is a steam chamber here. Just superheats the carpet and it gives up the dirt. The Bonzer swivel.